Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the answer key for the first part. Means I have divided the entire question paper into 50 questions and 50 questions. So for first 50 questions, we'll be seeing the answer key with explanation. First question: under the Indian Constitution, concentration of wealth violates the directive principles of state policy because Article 39 it says. Uh, the state shall in particular direct its policies towards securing that the operations of economic system does not result in concentration of wealth and means of production to common detriment. Okay. Second question: what is the position of right to property in India? It is a legal right, means it's not a fundamental right. Now under article 300A, it's a legal right, it is available for any person. So answer is B. Third question: what was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th Jan 1950? Earlier it was Sovereign Democratic Republic because on by 42nd Amendment Act only the socialist and secular words were added to the preamble of our constitution. Fourth question: constitutional government means a government limited by the terms of constitution, right? A government which is being controlled by a constitution is called constitutional government. Fifth question: with reference to India, the term Halbi, Ho and Kui pertain to tribal languages that most of us we know, right? Question number 6: consider the following statement in respect of Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards. Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards are titled under Article 18(1) of the Constitution of India. No, Article 18 is about abolition of titles, right? So that is wrong. Padma Award, which were instituted in year 1952, were suspended only once. No, you can see here Padma Award, which were instituted in the year 1954, announced every year on the occasion of Republic Day, except for brief interruptions during 1978 and 1979 and 1993 and to 1997. So twice it was interrupted. Number of Bharat Ratna awards is restricted to a maximum of 5 in a particular year. No, that is also wrong. So option 1, 2 and 3 are not correct. So answer is D. Question number 7. Consider the following statement. UNCDF and Arbor Day Foundation have recently recognized Hyderabad as 2023 City of the World. No, it is Arbor Day and Arbor Day Foundation and World Food and Agricultural Organization. The option first is wrong. Statement 1 is wrong. Hyderabad was selected for recognition for a year following its commitment to grow and maintain the urban forest. True. Hyderabad is the 2020 Tree City of World. So statement 2 is correct, statement 1 is wrong. So answer is D. Eighth question. Consider the following statement in respect of Lawrence World Sports Award, which was instituted in the year 2000. Answer answer is 1 and 3 because Tiger Woods was the first winner of this award under sportsman. Roger Federer is the one who got maximum number of times this award. Question number 9. Consider the following statement in respect of 32nd Summer Olympics. Motto for the Olympics is a new world. No, it is united by emotion. So option is only 2. 10th question. Consider the following statement in respect of the ICC World Test Championship. In this, both the options are wrong because what it is based on the rank. New Zealand was ranked ahead of India, so India and New Zealand played the final match, and then the finalists were decided by the number of matches they won. No, it is based on the points they get. 11. And this right to city is agreed human right is an agreed human right, and the UN Habit monitors the commitment made by each country in this regard. That is true. Right to the city gives every occupant of the city the right to reclaim public space and public participation in the city. 1 and 2 are correct, 3 is wrong. Can see the explanation here. Original definition of right to city goes beyond human rights. So option 1 is correct. Option 2 is it is a renewed access to urban life once that empowers city dwellers to shape the city as see fit through right to participation and active engagement. So option 2 is also correct. With reference to India, consider the following statement. Judicial custody means an accused is in the custody of concerned magistrate and such accused is locked up in police station, not in jail. Option 1 is wrong. See, under judicial custody, prison what the accused will be locked up in the jail, not in the police station. During judicial custody, the police officer in charge of the case is not allowed to interrogate the suspect without the approval of court. That is true. Okay. So answer is 2 only, B. With reference to India, consider the following statement. When a prisoner makes out a sufficient case, parole cannot be denied to such prisoner because it becomes a matter of his or her right. No. Option 1 is wrong. State government have their own prisoners release on parole rules. Yes, prisoner release on parole rules all will be governed by the state government. Okay, so option is 2. 14th question. At the national level, which ministry is a nodal agency to ensure effective implementation of Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Act 2006? It is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So answer is D. 15th question. A legislation which confers on the executive or administrative authority an unguided and uncontrolled discretionary power in matters of application of laws violates which one of the following article of the Constitution of India? It is Article 14. Question number 16. Which one of the following in Indian polity is an essential feature that indicates that it is a federal in character? It is union legislature which has elected representatives from constituent units. Like both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it has constituents from the constituent units, that is states. The MPs of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha will be coming from the state. So it is it indicates the federal character of Indian polity. Question number 16. Which one of the following best defines the state? State means a politically organized system which have definite territory and an authority to govern. So option B is correct. 18th question. With reference to Indian judiciary, consider the following statement. A retired judge of Supreme Court can be called back to sit by the Chief Justice of India with prior permission of the President of India. Yes, that is correct. Second statement. A High Court in India has the power to review its own judgment as Supreme Court does. Yes, it has. It is right. Question number 19. With reference to India, consider the following statements. There is only one citizenship and one domicile. Yes, 1 is correct. A citizen by birth only can become the head of the state. Head of the state means president or governor. So that is false. A foreigner once granted citizenship cannot be deprived of it under any circumstances. No, it can be he can be deprived of citizenship. So option 1 only. A. Which of the following factor constitutes the best guard of liberty in a liberal democracy? It is separation of powers. Separation of power means division of power and separation of power. Separation of power means legislature, executive and judiciary. So judiciary will safeguard the liberty in a liberal democracy. Question number 21. Water can dissolve more substance than any other liquid because it is dipolar in nature. Can see the explanation here. Question number 22. With reference to street lighting, how do sodium lamp differ from LED lamp? And this option 1 and 3 are correct. because LED have longer lifespan than sodium lamp. That is true. In case of LED, the light produced can be directed to 180 degree, but in case of sodium lamp, it produces light in all 360 degree. So most of the light goes waste in case of sodium lamps. And then sodium lamp are almost monochromatic. That is true. So option 1 and 3 are correct. Question number 23. The term ACE2 is talked about in context of spread of viral disease. You can see it here. Question number 24. Bisphenol A cause of concern, is a structural or key component in manufacture of which of the following kind of plastics? That is polycarbonate. Triclosan, considered harmful when exposed to high level for a long time, is most likely present in which of the following? In all the toiletries like soaps, hand sanitizers, everything, what they have triclosan. So answer is D. Which one of the following is reason for why astronomical distance are measured in light years? Because the speed of light is always same. What in all the at all the time the speed of light will be same, so it will not change, so it is being measured in light years. Question number 27. We adopted parliamentary democracy based on the British model. How does our model differ from that model? And this answer is one only correct, because British Parliament, in Britain, Parliament is supreme, because whatever been legislated that will become a part of Constitution. But in case of India, power of Parliament to legislate is limited. Only the constitutional amendments will become a part of Constitution, right? So in India, matters related to constitutionality of amendment of an act of the Parliament are referred to Constitution bench by the Supreme Court. No. Question number 28. With reference to union government, consider the following statement. In this, statement 1 is wrong, statement 2 is correct. In 1970, the Department of Personnel was constituted based on the recommendation of ARC, right? What this Department of Personnel will be always under the portfolio of Prime Minister. So option 2 is correct. Question number 29. Right to privacy. It is a part of Article 21. We all know that. Question number 30. In India, there is no law restricting the candidate from contesting in one Lok Sabha election from 3 constituencies. In this case, no. The option only 2 is correct. Question number 31. The vegetation of savanna consists of grassland with scattered small trees. The forest development in such areas is generally kept in check by one or more of or a combination of some of the conditions. Which of the following are such conditions? And this grazing herbivorous, seasonal rainfall. In savanna, rainfall will be what? Seasonal. And then soil properties. So in this, fire burrowing animals that should not be considered as a condition to check forest development, because in savanna forest it is a scattered forest, so forest fire will not affect much. Question number 32. With reference to water on planet Earth, consider the following statement. Amount of water in what? In this you can directly see here the answer is only 2, option B. You can see the facts here. Next question, question number 33. In this case, option 1 is correct. Moringa is a leguminous evergreen tree. That is true. Option 2 is wrong. Option 3, in India, most of the tamarind is collected as minor forest produce. That is true. And then option 4, India exports tamarind and seeds of moringa. That is true. Seeds of moringa and tamarind can be used in production of biofuels. No, that is not correct. So answer is 33. Next question is question number 34. The black cotton soil of India has been formed due to weathering of fissure volcanic rock. Our Deccan Plateau is formed out of fissure volcanic system. right? So question number 35, with reference to recent developments regarding recombinant vector vaccine, consider the following statement. Yes, it is genetically engineered, and then both bacteria and virus can be used as vectors. So answer is C, both 1 and 2. Question number 36, in context of hereditary disease, consider the following statements. Right, in this question, what option 2 is correct. A child can inherit mitochondrial diseases entirely from mother, not from father. That is true. You can see the explanation here, right? Next question is 37. Bolgard 1 and Bolgard 2 technologies are mentioned in the context of, it is mentioned in the context of BT cotton mostly. So it is for developing genetically modified crop plants. So option is B. Question number 38. In a pressure cooker, the temperature at which the food is cooked depends mainly upon which of the following? It is answer what? Option 1 and 2. It is not based on the weight of the lid. It is based on the area of hole in the lid, temperature of the flame, right? You can see the mechanism by which pressure cooker operates. So it is directly related to pressure. So pressure will be dependent on area of that hole and the temperature in the flame, temperature of the flame. Question number 39. Consider the following. Bacteria, fungi, virus. Which of the above can be cultured artificial or in a synthetic medium? So bacteria and fungi can be cultured in synthetic medium, but not the virus. So answer is A, 1 and 2. Question number 40. Adenovirus have single stranded DNA. No, it is wrong. It has double stranded DNA. So here option 2 only is correct. Answer is B. Question number 41. How is permaculture farming different from conventional farming? Right? This option 1, 2 and 4 are correct, not 3. Right? You can see the explanation for this here. Right. Question number 42. With reference to palm oil, consider the following statement. Palm oil tree is a native to Southeast Asia. No. Actually, it is from West Africa. Palm oil is a raw material from for some industry producing lipstick and perfumes. Yes, in cosmetics, palm oil is being used. Palm oil can be used to produce biodiesel. Yes, that is also correct. So answer is B. 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 43. With reference to Indus River system, of the following 4 rivers, 3 of them pour into one, of which joins the Indus. Among the following, which one is such river that joins the Indus directly? So here the answer is Sutlej. You can see this in the map. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi combines together and joins Sutlej, and in turn Sutlej joins with Indus. So answer is D. Question number 44. With reference to India, Didwana, Kuchman, Sargol and Khatu are the names of saline lakes. Most of them are in Rajasthan. Right? Question number 45. Brahmani, Nagavali, Subarnarekha, Vamshadhara. Which of the above rises from the Eastern Ghats? And the answer is 2 and 4. Nagavali and Vamshadhara. You can see the explanations here. Brahmani originates in northeastern Odisha. It cuts across Eastern Ghats, and it is not originating from Eastern Ghats. So answer is Nagavali and Vamshadhara. Question number 46. Consider the following statement. The Global Ocean Commission grants license for seabed exploration and mining in international waters. No, it is wrong. It is International Seabed Authority which grants license for seabed exploration. So first one is wrong. What automatically the answer will be 2 and 3. Question number 47. Which among the following is the least water efficient crop? It is sugarcane. We all know sunflower, pearl millet, red gram are all what? They all grow in leeward side of Western Ghats, and then they are all cultivated in dry region. So sugarcane is the one which needs more water and which is the least water efficient crop. So answer is A. Question number 48. Consider the following statement. In the tropical zone, western section of the oceans are warmer than the eastern sections owing to the influence of trade wind. Yes, trade winds flow from, they are northeast winds, right? So it flows from northeast to southwest, right? So the ocean will be warm. Western section of oceans are warmer comparatively in the tropical zone, whereas in the temperate zone, westerlies makes the eastern section of ocean warmer than the western section. Yes, option 1 only is correct, so option 2 is wrong. Question number 49. In the context of India's preparation for climate smart agriculture, consider the following. Climate smart village approach in India is a part of SCCAFS. It is a part of climate change, agriculture and food security and international research program. True, 1 is correct. Project CCAFS is carried out under consultative group on International Agricultural Research headquartered in France. That is also true. International Crops Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics in India is one of the CGIAR's research center. Yes, it is also correct. It has 15 centers. One is ICRISAT in India, right? So answer 1, 2 and 3 are correct. What statements are correct? So answer is D. Question number 50. Leaf litter decomposes faster than in any other biome, and as a result, the soil surface is often almost bare. Apart from trees, the vegetation is largely composed of plant forms that reach up into the canopy voraciously by climbing. The trees are growing as epiphytes rooted on the upper branches of tree. This is most likely description of tropical rainforest. They are only to what the trees compete to uh, grow high to get the sunlight, right? So answer is D. Thank you, friends. With this, what first part of the UPSC prelims 2021 question paper is done with. So in part 2 I'll be coming up with the next 50 questions. Thank you.